When I said we have a lot to get done, it's not a joke. So, so what we're gonna do today, this is my baby. Say hi. So we have to go to the store. I have to go to the pharmacy and get something for her. That's it right here. Baby girl is ready to go. You're ready to go. You're ready to go. Let's go. Yeah. Okay. So I'm just gonna put her forward in the bag. In her diaper bag. Okay. I have to get dressed too. Mommy has to get dressed. It's starting to get cold outside. So, I have to wait for mommy. Okay. This is me. We are ready to go. Oh my goodness. I need to get gas. I need to get gas. Yes, baby girl. We are ready to go. Outside it's so windy. So we have to hurry. Hurry. Let's go. So let's go. This vlog is gonna be so fun since I have a lot to get done today. So you're gonna enjoy this vlog. Enjoy this vlog. Hi, baby girl. Yeah. We are at Costco. I'm gonna fold the car. Yes, we did it. We did it. Let's go. Let's go, baby girl. Okay. You don't need to cry, baby. got the big boy. Now I'm gonna feed baby a little bit more. She's hungry. Oh, you said you want water? I'm gonna give you water. Hold this for me, please. Don't do that. Here, don't drink all, okay? Be careful. Let's feed baby, and mommy's hungry too. I don't know, man. All done. Jamie must finish her food. She ate all her food. Now it's time to clean your little mouth. Little mouth. Huh? Gemma is the winner. Next time, okay? Now mommy's hungry. Oh my god. Yeah. Okay. Next time you will be the winner, okay? Big girl is finished eating. Look at my baby girl.
Hey!
Huh?
Jimba!
Be careful.
Jimba wants to touch the horn.
Hmm?
She wants to touch the horn.
She wants to turn to the horn.
Jimba!
Finish your sandwich, okay?
Mom, Jimba?
Yeah. What happened to your nose?
Jimba! Hey, look at him like that.
Your face. Your face.
What are you doing?
Let me see.
What are you doing,
What happened to your face?
What are you doing, my girl?
Who's your girl?
Me.
That's your baby sister.
Yeah?
Mm,
Big belly, Jimba.
I love you, boy.
You have big belly, Jimba. Your belly, Jimba. Hello, my girl. Hello, my girl. Hello, my girl.
That's so funny. Mm,
Mommy, who is that?
I don't know. I don't know what's that. And mommy eat something. Mommy's hungry. That's my Jamie Ma. Stop touching. Finish your sandwich. Be careful not to drop it. We just got here. So right now, I eat a sandwich, but I feel hungry. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna show you what I got first, and then I'm gonna do my laundry. I don't think I'm gonna do all the laundry today. I'm just gonna show you the laundry. You done? Where you going? Huh? Where you going?
I'm going downstairs.
What you gonna do downstairs?
Come in here. After.
What you gonna do? Okay. You wanna eat your food now?
No. I don't want it.
Okay. So we are going to do the laundry. Baby girl is here. I'm just gonna show you what I got first, and then oh my goodness, I'm tired already. This is the laundry. Baby already eat. I'm just gonna show you what I got from the store. That's my food right here. I got this for a surprise for baby. I keep saying baby boy. For my son. I'm just gonna give him one today, and I'll give the other one tomorrow after I pick him up. This is for baby because she started to cough a little bit, so I'm just gonna mess up. And then this is for my son too. Pretty sure he eats, but he likes those. I just bought one for him. And then I got my baby girl. That's her coat right here. This is 16, no. This is 9 months. This is 9 months. And then this is for my son. That's all I got. This is what I'm gonna eat for now. Baby girl already ate. This is for the cold. This is for me to get to see better. That's chamomile tea. And this is my carrot juice I drink. doing?
Hey. Mommy, I can find my wipe too.
Okay, let me put it.
Here.
I just see. My juice is ready. So this is it. Right now, I'm just gonna wash those dishes. Eating. It's good. The food is good. Be careful. Be careful. Don't make a mess.
Mommy, I need to out.
No, don't do that. You know, mommy's not gonna be happy. I'm just gonna wash your clothes first. Okay, wait. Huh? I'm gonna turn it off.
No. Mama, I don't want it.
Huh? Okay, baby girl, mommy's here. I'm just washing the dishes. Just gentle with her, okay? I'm just washing the dishes. We're going up. What time is the light downstairs? Yeah. Come and here, baby girl. Let me just finish this one, okay? Let me just finish this plate. Okay, baby girl. Okay, that's it. You turn off the light? You want something to drink?
Yeah.
What do you want? Come here.
Lemon juice. I want lemon juice. Okay.
give you all the bench. Just cleaning this
Lemon juice.
so everything can be clean before we go up. You said you want lemon juice.
Yeah.
Where's your cup?
Ouch. Mommy.
Yeah.
Boo-boo. Mommy. Mommy, is the last one?
Yeah.
Okay. Mommy, but you love. Mommy, but you love it now. But you buy lemon juice
Yeah.
and you buy chocolate.
If I bought chocolate.
Yeah, mommy. Mommy, let me show you. Bye. Mommy, do you buy chocolate?
No. Now I'm gonna drink my tea. This is hard though. Can you get me 2 bottles of water, please? Put them in baby bag. Because we're going up.
2 bottles of water.
Put them in baby bag. We're going up with the water.
Then put it in the
So that's my life.
here.
Put them in baby bag. The gray bag.
Here.
Yeah,
Okay.
inside the bag.
Inside the bag.
Yeah. So right now we are going up. I'm just gonna let the clothes wash. No. If you want juice, no chocolate. You have to choose one. So, as I was saying, we are going up. I have some laundry that I did already. So I'm just gonna fold them upstairs while the baby clothes is in the washing machine. So yeah. And I need to clean a little bit, but I don't know when I'm gonna do it. This baby, she won't let me do anything. So I'm just gonna wait when she goes to sleep, and then if I can get something done. Hey baby girl, I need to drink my tea. I need hello. I love you, baby girl.
Hello.
Hello. What are you doing? You're drinking your juice?
Lemon juice.
Lemon juice? Okay, are you ready to go up? Okay, I'm just gonna wait for the baby clothes. I put the baby in her chair so I can put those upstairs because
Mommy,
this is
why you have 2 baby bottles?
I just need to wash them. Those are dirty.
Ah.
Yeah. I'm just gonna bring everything upstairs. So I have a lot of stuff to bring upstairs. I have this and I have to. This is the laundry that I have to fold. I'm just gonna do this now. I'm just gonna get the baby downstairs. Yeah. I'm so happy. When I'm filming, I'm so happy. When I turn off this light, let me just go get the baby.